Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you all remember this deer antler awl that I made? A lot of people guessed that this was in the what's in the bag. And this is a very fine awl. And this can be used to take out splinters and make fine holes. Like, in suede, something where you don't want a giant hole and you have to repair it, compared to the bushcraft awl, which will give you a pretty aggressive hole. So you have options if you have the both of these. I'll have the link to the original video on step by step on how I made this one. And then you just screw it in. And you have a little piece of leather lace on it. And this was made from antlers that were gifted to me from Danny from Deer Antler Outdoors. Thanks, brother. I used them all up. And Craig from Georgia Trapping and Fishing, he surprised me with a big old box of antlers. So I know you all were looking for projects to be done. So guess what I did? I made another one. And the beauty of the antlers, there are no two that are alike. These both were made exactly the same way. I did do a little different finial on top, but as you see, the coloring, the texture, the bark, that's the beauty of antlers. And this, same as that one. This is a drill bit, piece of brass here. This is threaded inside here, this insert. Screw it together, and then you have it. And this one I added just a little antler bead, really just decoration. There you have it. So, I have two. What am I going to do? I'm going to give one away. That's right. If you'd like a chance at winning this, all you have to do is say I'm in the comments, and I'll let it run until I kind of see it's kind of stalled, and then I will pick a winner, and you will get this deer antler awl from a white-tailed deer. This is actually two different deer from Georgia, courtesy of Georgia Trapping and Fishing, my brother Craig. So, good luck to everyone if you're interested. I hope you all are staying well. Much love and respect to all of you, my brothers and sisters. I appreciate all your views and your comments. And if you're going to take a chance at this, I want to say good luck, stay well, and we'll see you on the next one.